Hey everyone, welcome back if you're a returning viewer.
I'm Linda.
And I'm Tim.
And welcome to our second journey.
Absolutely. We're glad you're here. All right, everybody. We're very excited. We've got a big announcement we're making.
We're doing our first transatlantic cruise.
Absolutely. This is something we've dreamt of, we talked about. We planned it probably for 18 months now. We scheduled this, and you're going to be watching this as we just returned. We're filming it right before we're leaving. Have you sailed a transatlantic? Let us know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Yeah, so we're so excited. This has been a dream of ours for quite some time. And we're going to do a transatlantic. It's a 15-day transatlantic, and we're going to be visiting
Portugal, Spain, and Italy.
Yep. Going to the Azores for Portugal. 3 stops in Spain at Cartagena, Malaga, and Barcelona. 2 stops in Italy. We're doing La Spezia.
And Rome.
Rome.
And we get off the ship in Rome, and then we're going to spend
17
days in Europe.
17-day land tour we put together in Europe. It's literally planes, trains, automobiles, and cruise ships this time.
Yes.
So we've got it all planned out in advance. Lots of tickets, and everything better work like clockwork. You'll hear what we have to say later.
So we get off the ship in Rome, and we're going to spend 5 days in Italy. And then from Italy, we are going
we're going to spend 3 or 4 days in Rome. We're going to hit Verona, and then we're going to run over to Venice real quick for a day.
And then we go from Italy to Switzerland.
Yep. We're going to take the Bernina Express over the Alps. Visit 2 different locations in Switzerland, at Kur as well as Zurich.
And then from Switzerland, we're going to Paris, France.
Yeah, we've got about 4 days scheduled in Paris as well.
And then from Paris, France, we go to Amsterdam.
Yep. Spend a couple days.
In Amsterdam. And then our final journey from Amsterdam, we're going to go to Iceland.
Yep. Flying into Reykjavik, and looking forward to doing all that. With the exception of that's the end of our trip. We'll be heading home, flying home to Newark, New Jersey, and then driving home to Philadelphia after that. So, but super excited. We plan to do this in 4K. We plan to be bringing you videos all along the way. Yep. So stay tuned for that. Again, please like, comment, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with everything we're going to bring you. Again, if you're seeing this, we're home, hopefully. And but stay in touch, stay tuned after that, because we'll be bringing a lot of content. It's the Odyssey of the Seas. It's going out of Cape Liberty, New Jersey, going over to Europe. So we'll have a lot of content around the Odyssey of the Seas, the excursions we're taking, and then where we end up in Europe and what we're doing in Europe. Now this, for her, she's on a little bit of a vacation. Me, it's a working trip, but yeah. So we plan to bring everything to you as well, so you can experience that live and in person. Again, we'll be doing that in 4K this time around.
Yep. Thank you for watching.
Absolutely. See you soon.